How to do a poll on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on the plus icon, what you simply need to do is you need to click a picture or a video over here. So what you can do is simply I'm going to select on 15 seconds video and click a video, or you can also add from your gallery. So I'm just going to select on a video over here and click a video for now. So after clicking a video for a few seconds, I'm going to tap on the check mark over here. So let's tap on the check mark, and as I tap on check mark, you'll be able to see the different options beside over here at the right side of the screen. So simply tap on the sticker icon. So you can tap on sticker icon, and here as you can see there's option of adding yours, adding the emojis, gifs and so on. Now while you scroll down, you can see there's no other options to add the poll. So let's search for other options over here, and as of now you can see there's no poll option. So what we can do is we can just tap on the sticker icon and then tap on the GIF option, and here you can just search for poll. You can just add the stickers of a poll, but you'll not be able to add the poll in general in TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.